Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner on HONOR X7d isn't recognizing your face properly. In such case, let's set up a new face model for your device. So let's first unlock it, then go to Settings, then scroll all the way down to Security and Privacy section and open it. Scroll down to Device Unlock section, then select Biometrics and Password, select Face Recognition and enter your password. Remove the previously enrolled facial data by clicking right here, then confirm with Delete. Now, before we proceed, grab either a microfiber cloth, or if you don't have it, just grab a dry towel, can be a paper towel, and just carefully wipe your frontal camera just enough to clearly see your face in the camera. And for the same reason, also make sure that the lights in your room are adjusted properly. Once you're ready, let's set up a new face model for your device. Tap on face recognition once again, enter your pattern, tap Get Started, and then center your face in the camera in the circle, looking directly in the camera. Once the setup is complete, let's go back to Settings, select System and Updates, and make sure that your device is up to date by going to Software Update and checking for any updates available. Once you make sure that your device is up to date, press the power button and the volume up key at the same time and restart your phone so that we can be sure that all the changes applied. Once the phone is restarted, enter your password and give your device a couple of seconds at least to properly start up. And now let's check how the new face model works. So let's try to unlock our device using Face Unlock. Okay, it worked for the first time. Let's give it a couple more tries. Second time went well. Okay, and so now we can see that everything works smoothly. And I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.